All right, chalk one up for the little guys. Today we're talking about GameStop stock, and the hedge fund that was trying to tank this itty bitty, non-viable company. GameStop, for those who don't know, is a brick and mortar store that sells video games and consoles and video game related merch. Thanks to Steam and online gaming, they've not been too viable for a few years now. A hedge fund company, the name of the company itself escapes me at this time, started taking an interest into GameStop stock to short sell it. In a nutshell, short selling means you want to make money off of it. You want to find a stock that isn't doing very well at all, very small price, and you have the stockholders of that stock lend you the stock for a fee, small fee. So say I'm going to borrow. You're going to lend me one share of stock for $10, and I'm going to pay you back, just not right now. Now, if I'm a hedge fund company, I'm gonna go to my buddies at Money Matters and Business Insider, and my other hedge fund buddies, and manipulate the market by tanking that stock. Maybe putting out some bad press on the company, or some rumor of things about to happen that aren't good, so that the current owners of the current stockholders will sell off all their stocks, driving the price down even further. So what you end up doing is you say you borrowed that one share for 10, and then it goes all the way down to 3. You go, oh, well, here's that. I owe you for that stock. It's worth 3 now. Oh, here's a little fee for your trouble, but here's 3 and change, and I'm going to pocket the difference as profit. Yeah, how it's legal, I don't know. I know it's definitely not ethical. Also, I am not. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. I am not a stock. I'm not into the stock market. In fact, what little I know, about the stock market, I've learned from Trading Places, the movie, and the last 24, 48 hours. So, like I said, hedge fund was about to rape GameStop, the GameStop stock. Well, a subreddit found out about this called Wall Street Bets, and they started buying up all this stock from GameStop, increasing the price of the stock, and increasing the price of the stock. They had over 250,000 guys in this one subreddit throwing money at this stock, shooting the price way up. Last I saw, it was like $320. It started off at 4. The hedge fund company's going to have to pay off the difference. Last I heard this morning, they were down $14 billion. And they're begging for a bailout. Actually, they had gotten bailed out from another hedge fund company, and they've already gone through that money. They got, I think, $2 billion yesterday, late last night. It wasn't enough because they keep driving the price up. The FCC is getting involved. The Wall Street Bets had a Discord server that's been taken down for hate speech. All it was an audio channel of hundreds of guys screaming buy, buy, sell, sell. It's supposed to be a recreation of the stock market floor. The dinosaur media is crying foul. The cathedral's pissed because the peasants have learned how to game the system. Fuck the cathedral. They hate you guys. You know that, right? You know, they can make money and see, I'm a dyed-in-the-wool capitalist. If you want to make an honest buck, make 1,000,000 of them. This isn't honest, I'm sorry. They're literally just shuffling papers around and making money hand over fist. They don't provide a service. They don't make a product. They're shuffling ones and zeros around on a computer. It's not right. And I'm glad they're getting screwed. Like I said, the cathedral's coming down on them. The federal government, the FCC's investigating. They're talking about, FCC's talking about banning this one stock for 30 days till it recalibrates. They're trying to cover their own ass. It looked like at first that that subreddit got taken down from the servers, but the latest, a little while ago, I just got off work, so I'm not completely up on current events with this topic, but one of the moderators from Wall Street Bets posted something about how, no, we did not get taken down, maliciously. They just had so much traffic that they had to shut stuff down for a second so the moderators could verify each and every user. There was just last night they got 2 million more members. Okay, check this out. This is just a theory. Let's say I was on lockdown. I couldn't go to work. And the government's giving out these little breadcrumbs they like to call stimulus checks for $600. What if I got to lose? Why not throw it at a stock? Might win, might lose. And if I lose it, big deal. I get a chance to really stick it to a hedge fund company. You know, Wall Street and these financial gatekeepers are up in arms because the peasants have figured out how to play the system. I'm sure they're going to make some rule changes and drop that gate down again, but take a small victory lap, guys. Like I said, this one hedge fund company was down $14 billion. I hope you take them to the cleaners. I hope you completely shut them down. Make them clean out their desk for once instead of you having to clean out your fucking desk. So there.